Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this Ubuntu Linux machine from a macOS device, and we'll be using XRDP. Now we just need to make sure that we have XRDP installed and running on this Ubuntu Linux machine. I'm going to be using the terminal. So I'm just going to check first here, say which XRDP. Now I do have it installed, but if we don't have it installed, we'll look at the commands we can use. Let's look at the version of Ubuntu that I'm running. So it's 25.10. The first command we'll run before we install XRDP is going to be sudo update. So we just need to update our package repositories. Next, we'll run the command to install XRDP. So it's sudo apt install XRDP -y for yes. So it's already installed on this machine. We don't have to install it, but that's the command to install it. Okay. Next, we'll check the status of XRDP. We'll use systemctl status XRDP. So it's active running and it's enabled. That means that every time we reboot or start the machine, it's going to run. If it wasn't enabled and running, let's look at the commands to enable it. You can use sudo systemctl enable XRDP, and to start XRDP, you can use start XRDP. Okay, so we'll need the IP address of this machine. We'll need this IP on the macOS device when we input the information on the Windows app, which is the app we're using to do the remote connection. So to check the IP, we'll use IP address command. The IP is 192.168.1.207. Now if you're going to be using this same username from the macOS device to do the login, you might want to log out. So I'm going to go ahead and log out here. Now on the macOS device, we'll need to open the App Store. Now go to the App Store and search for Windows app. This is the app we'll be using. So previously this was called Remote Desktop. If you don't have it installed, install it and then go ahead and open it. So this is what it's going to look like. If it's your first time using it, you're not going to have any devices added. To add a device, top right, click on the plus sign, add PC. Now you have to put the information for that device. So for the Ubuntu Linux, the IP address was 192.168.1.207. You need to put your credentials, which is the username and password, add credentials. So click on this. Here add the username, then add the password. You can add a friendly name if you want. Click add. The rest I'm gonna leave as default. Just add. This is the device. To connect, double click on it. Okay, click continue. So it's opening in full screen and it's not allowing me to minimize. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect to the Ubuntu Linux device from your macOS device. I do believe you can come in here and configure the settings for the display so that it doesn't use full screen. And then if you have more than one monitor, so that could be messing up the connection. So I'm just not gonna mess with this for now. I'm just gonna cancel here. Again, that's how you'd connect to your Ubuntu Linux device from your macOS using XRDP. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.